Hello everyone! Learn with me how to make yema. First, prepare the following ingredients. 3 cans of condensed milk or 370 grams condensed milk, 1 stick or 1 tablespoon of dark coffee, 2 tablespoons butter or margarine, 1 pinch of salt, and 1 pack of crushed unsalted peanuts or 250 grams of peanuts or crushed peanuts. Let's get started. Step 1. On a clean table, pour the 3 cans of condensed milk into a wok or karahay or kawali in Filipino. Step number 2, pour the 1 stick or 1 tablespoon of dark coffee and a pinch of salt into the mixture and mix thoroughly. Step 3, place the wok on the stove and set it to medium heat. Continuously mix the condensed milk until it starts to form bubbles. Step 4. Add the 2 tablespoons of butter so that it will not stick on the pan. Step 5. Once it starts boiling, and add the pack of crushed unsalted peanuts into the mixture and continue mixing. Step number 6. Continue mixing until the mixture thickens. Step 7. Once it is done, transfer it to the glass or plastic bowl. Then use a plastic spoon to flatten it on a tray. Step 8. Divide the yema into squares to ensure equal portions. And step 9, finally pack each piece using cellophane. And we're done! Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot on how to make a yema. Thank you for watching.